How to Wi-Fi keep stopping problem. Hey guys, if you also facing the problem of Wi-Fi not working or keep stopping, then follow my steps. And do not forget to also like this video. First of all, open your mobile phone settings, go to settings, then scroll down here and click on apps button. You can see all application of your phones. You need to scroll down here and click on apps application. Maybe it's here on the, so you need to click on storage and cache or data or cache button. Then you need to clear data of this application. So we have done the clear data. Okay, so you need to follow this step and your problem will be fixed. But still not working, if you have still facing the problem, open your phone settings right here on open your phone mobile phone play store and search here Wi-Fi. You can see here Wi-Fi. You need to update this application. Wi-Fi you need to update. Just update this application and you can see your problem will be fixed. So this is the second method, but still not working or still facing the issue or problem Wi-Fi not working, then you need to restart your phone. Okay, so just restart your phone and then check your problem will be 100% fixed. Do not forget to like or subscribe our channel also.